Good evening students. In this video you will learn that how using your smartphone you can submit your assignment on Microsoft Team. So first thing is needed that after getting assignment needed to write in your notebook, then using any one software you can convert your written notes, written answer into PDF format, and then only you can submit. So we will start from how to convert any answer that you have written in your notebook into PDF. So for that, one cam scanner software must be there. Using that cam scanner software, easily you can convert your written answer from your notebook to PDF format. There are lots of cam scanner softwares are available. For example, in my smartphone, this cam scanner is here. Simply click on cam scanner. This interface will be visible. Here click on this camera icon. Extreme right hand side lower corner you can see a camera is visible. Click on this camera. Now take the picture that you want to convert into PDF format. Adjust the corners, what portion you want to show exactly, and rest of portions will be excluded. Next picture, do save, then again click on camera for next image. Click, adjust the picture. Unwanted portions will be cropped and only your selected portions will come. Click on save, then click on back arrow key and select your work. Just see your work is here. After selection, click on these three dots, rename, give a name such as always try to give your name. If you are going to submit the assignment, then your name. So this is the assignment of Ishani, so I'm writing Ishani name, Ishani underscore class UKG. This is hyphen A and again underscore roll number 13. So don't do mistake while writing underscore and hyphen. In your user ID and password also underscore and hyphen is given. So if you will do mistake, then problem will be there. After creation, quit. Now start your Microsoft Team. Enter the user ID and password assigned by the school. Then this application, this interface will be visible after writing user ID and password. This interface will be visible. You have to click on assignment. Now select your class, do next. Here you can see the assignment. Click on that assignment. Then if this is the way of assignment checking also. By this you can check your assignment. See, this is assignment given. After getting this assignment, you prepare your answer. After preparing your answer, your PDF is also ready. Now click on add work for submit your answer. Then after add work, upload from this device, and now select your created PDF file and file manager. Go on the location where file is saved. Select your PDF file, your answer that you want to submit. After selection, and simply go back. Again you check. Select. See, that file, answer file will be visible here like this. Ishani UKGA 13, the file that we are saving there. That saved file is visible here. Now what is needed to do? After this, click on turn in. On right side corner on title bar, turn in is visible. Click on this turn in. Now this animation is indication that your work is completed. Okay, and after that you can close your Microsoft Team. You can do sign out. How to do sign out? Click on these three lines. Again see these three lines, then settings, and after that click on sign out. Okay, so that's all for this. Like this you can submit your assignments. Thank you.